In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a host on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Become a Host or Airbnb Your Home. This is where the setup process begins, and Airbnb will guide you through creating your listing from start to finish. First, choose the type of property you want to list. You'll typically be able to select whether you're offering an entire place, a private room, or a shared room. This is important because it sets expectations for guests right away and helps Airbnb show your listing to the right travelers. Next, enter your property's location and the basic details of the space. This includes how many guests it can accommodate, along with the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms. Be as accurate as possible here, since these details help guests decide whether your place meets their needs. After that, add the amenities your property offers. This might include things like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, parking, a kitchen, or a dedicated workspace. Amenities can make a big difference in how appealing your listing looks, so take a moment to select everything your space genuinely provides, then upload high-quality photos that clearly show the property and its best features. Bright, clean, well-framed images can make your listing much more attractive. Try to include all the main areas so guests get a complete picture of what they're booking. Once the photos are in place, write a strong title and description for your listing. The goal here is to be clear, accurate, and inviting. Highlight what makes the space special, whether that's the layout, the style, the location, or useful features guests may appreciate during their stay. From there, set your pricing, availability, and booking preferences. You'll also be able to define practical details like check-in and check-out times. This part helps you control how and when guests can book your property. Before going live, review your house rules and any guest requirements. This is the best time to make sure your expectations are clear and your listing policies are in place. You'll also need to complete identity verification and provide any required tax or payout information so Airbnb can confirm your account and send you earnings properly. Finally, preview your listing to make sure everything looks accurate. If all the details are correct, go ahead and publish your listing. Once it's live, you can start accepting reservations from guests.